what's going on? It's your girl Missnaturalshay, and today I have for you an Ollie's haul. Y'all already know how I feel about Ollie's. I love going there because they have the discounted prices. Okay, sis, if you're older but a goodie, you already know how I feel about y'all. I love you guys so much. If you are a new viewer, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up. That lets me know you like these types of videos. Make sure you are subscribed if you want to keep on seeing these types of videos. All right, y'all, so I got these big 6 bags down below beside me, and I just had a good old time in Ollie's like I always do. Let's jump right into this thing. Just randomly pick a bag, okay? So yeah, Ollie's they had a double bag because these bags, first of all, you can see right through them, so they ain't made of much. So anywho, we're gonna jump right in this thing, and the first thing that I have for y'all is they brought back a fall scent from Febreze, the Fresh Harvest Pumpkin, and I got this. It was only $1.99. Oh, I'm sorry, I thought it was $1.99. It was $2.29. So I got this because if y'all don't know, I love me some pumpkin, especially during the fall time. Okay, so yeah, got me some air freshener. I guess I'm just gonna put it on my bed. I mean, boom, it's over there. So anyway, y'all, so the next items that we're gonna talk about real quick, and boo-boo, you're gonna see this item throughout some other bags because I got quite a few of them because it was only $1.99, and it is the Dove hand wash. Okay, this is an 18.59 ounce for $1.99. Sis, y'all already know how one of our favorite stores, Bath & Body Works, do. They give you an 8.75 ounce. I love this. Coconut, eucalyptus. But this is $2 something at a sale. The original price on this be like $8.50. Which I won't ever pay no $8.50 for a soap. But I got these for $1.99. Y'all already know Dove is that girl. Okay. Dove is that girl. So for the hand wash to be $1.99, boo-boo, I got quite a few of those, so that's 2 of them already. Let's see if y'all can keep count. The next items that I have in this bag, I have me a Scrub and Bubbles Bathroom Grime Fighter. It says it removes 100% soap scum foaming action, and it's in citrus, and it was $3.99, and it's a big one. It's a pound and 6 ounces, 22 ounces. So I usually don't use scrubbing bubbles in my bathtub. My number one is Method Tile and Tub Scrub, and I love that. I just spray it in there, let it sit, and then I wipe it down. It don't take much scrubbing at all. So we're gonna test this thing out, okay? All right, y'all. So the next products I'm gonna talk about is these 3 deodorants. It's for the men's section for these, but I don't give a dag on because I will be using it. And all of these are aluminum free, and I do believe this is on a women's section because usually the women's is shaped like this and then the men's is shaped like this, but guess what, sis gonna use them all. Okay, so this one is the Degree Odor Protecting 0 aluminum and 0 alcohol calming lavender, and I think that it smells really good. I like this scent, and I hope it does good. The original, like the regular Degrees, I love. They usually keep me smelling real good all day. And this one is saying 48-hour odor protection. So we're going to see about that. And then, oh, the price was $2.99. So, yeah. Then I saw this one, which is the Degree Deodorant Coconut and Mint Aluminum Free. And it's a 48-hour deodorant. And it smells so good. I had to get it two times. So it's $2.99 as well, and let's see what it smells like. Now I know it smells good. Yes, listen, this is unisex. It smells so good. I should have got more because coconut and mint, it smells so good, y'all. So yeah, got these. All right, so that's 1 bag down and 5 more to go, and it's a nice heavy old bag. Let's see. First thing oh my God. Why, Lord? Why? Girl. Okay. I knew how this happened because I was smelling it and I didn't push it down all the way. And now, oh, okay. I'm not going to get mad because that's on me. All right. So All right, y'all, I'm gonna be right back because I gotta clean this up. I can't. I'm back from the mess, and OMG, like quarter of the bottle is sitting in that bag down there, and it was all on everything. What was in there is this one, because this one is lighter than this one. But anyway, I got the Notes of Cactus Water and Bamboo from Olay Fresh Outlast. You already know how I feel about Olay. I love Olay. And they were $3.99 a piece. Cactus and bamboo, it just smells nice and fresh. That's all I can tell y'all. It smells really good, nice and fresh, so I can't wait to use this. Here's another one. And then y'all, I had to get my raw sugar simply hand wash cold pressed lemon sugar, and these were $1.99 as well, and the fluid ounce is 16.9. You can't beat these with a stick, and they're like nice name brands for $1.99. Okay, sis. So I had to just grab two. I was trying to be good, okay? Yeah, trying to be good. But I do like this as the body wash, the lemon sugar body wash. So I do recommend that as well. All right, y'all, so that is bag number 2, and we have 3 more to go. Here is the 3rd bag. The first thing I'm pulling out is the Febreze Air Peony and Cedar, and it's a limited edition. And this one was $1.99, but I don't know why the pumpkin one was $2.29. But anyway, got this, and it smells pretty good. Then y'all, here's another of my hand wash Dove, and that's number 4. And then y'all, I had to get these. I got 2 of these, which is the Lysol. I never seen these kind before. It's an all-purpose cleaner, of course, and the scent is cherry blossom and pomegranate, and these were only $1.69, y'all. So I should have got a couple more of these, but I was like, nah, I ain't gonna buy out the store. But yes, can't wait to try those. I'm sure they work good because I love me some Lysol. And here is number 5 of the Dove hand wash. Bag number 4. All right, y'all, so the first thing we got is some Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. Ooh, I did not know it had this. It's the Dawn Kitchen Pads Grease Fighting Power, $1.99, and you get a 2-pack. So instead of me getting the big bulk pack, I forgot how many you get in there. It was like 7 something. I was like, let me just try these first, and then if I really like them, which I already like Mr. Clean, but this is a different kind. It has Dawn in it, and the pad is not like, it has grooves in it for you know, scrubbing and everything. So can't wait to try that out. Then y'all already know I had to go to the Bodycare section, got me some bar soap, and I got 2 of the Dove Mango Butter 2-pack, and these were $1.99 for a 2-pack, so basically $1 a piece. So I got 2 of those, so I got 4-pack for $3.98. And then y'all, I had to get me a 4-pack of Shea Butter Beauty Bar. I thought this was like Shea Butter and Vanilla, I'm not sure, but it only says Shea Butter Beauty Bar, and you get a 4-pack. So I got that. I got some items for the car and for the home. So I got me a couple of these Fresh Baked Vanilla plug-ins. They were $3.49 a piece, and if you go to like Target, you will get like a 2-pack, I believe, for $9 something, and I think a 3-pack is like $13 something. So yeah, I got 2 of these. Then I also got for the house or for the car, and it's the small spaces. Now these, they don't last too long. They were $3.79, and I got a 2-pack. It's the Fresh Spice Apple, and I think I'm gonna try one of these in a car, and then just have one in like maybe my bedroom or bathroom or something like that. And then I got some things for the car vent. So I seen that they had the Glade and the Airwick have the car fresheners that you just pop in your vent, and it says that lasts up to 30 days, and it was $1.99, and this one is the vanilla scent. So I can't wait to try that because I ain't ever tried these. I usually get the Febreze ones, and they be telling you like they last for 45 days. They be lying. Even if they said 30 days, they still be lying because it only lasts me for about a week, okay? And then this one is the Vanilla Passion Fruit, and it was $1.99 as well by Glade. Can't wait to try that. And then I saw this at the checkout, and it's strawberry and lemonade. So it's a dual scented air freshener by Fresh Clips. So this was $4.99 for a 3-pack. So I was like, why not go ahead and try it. I got me some lip moisturizers from Chapstick, and it's the coffee collection, and it has mint mocha, caramel macchiato, and vanilla latte. So yes, and it was $1.99 for a 3-pack. All right, so I thought I only got 2 of the Olay Fresh Outlast Cactus Water and Bamboo, but baby, this is number 3. I think I got it because I'm like, never know, I probably won't see it again ever in there. So then y'all, I got 2 more of these, so we up to 5, 6, 7. You can't go wrong with 7, okay? $14 for 7 big 18.59 fluid ounces. You cannot go wrong with this, okay? So got those, and they will last a long time in your bathroom or your kitchen. And then y'all, I got this because it smells so good. It's the limited edition soft soap peppermint bath, and it smells really good, y'all. Smells really good. I love that. And it was $2.99, and this is a 20 fluid ounce. And last but not least, y'all, I had to get me this because it smelled good and I just want to use it. It's the Irish Spring Ultimate Wake Up Moisturizing Face and Body Wash, and I know this is for men because they want you to do a whole body, like moisturize the face, all that stuff. I don't know about moisturizing the face with this, but the body, I'm sure to be good. It's in the tea tree oil and iced lemon fragrance, and yes, this was $3.29, and it is a 18 fluid ounce, and it smells really good, y'all. So I had to bring this home. I just love how fresh it smells. I can smell the tea tree, I can smell the lemon. It just smells so good and fresh to me, so I can't wait to jump in the shower with this. And it says the ultimate wake up, so we're gonna see if this thing is gonna be waking me up when I get up early in the morning. All right, y'all, so that concludes the haul, y'all. If y'all got any of these items from your Ollie's, just let me know down in the comment section down below. You already know I love to chit chat with you guys. And to everybody, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. That lets me know you like these types of videos. And also, if you have not already subscribed, please make sure you do subscribe so you don't ever miss a video from your girl. And yeah, guys, I'm gonna catch you guys in my next video. I love you guys for watching.